In this lecture, we are going to see the matrix representation of harmonic oscillator operators. That is, first let us have a look at creation operator matrices. Let us take this inner product n plus 1 a dagger get n. So when you will get non-zero value only when pra vector and get vector are the same. Remember that here you have a creation operator. So when creation operator act on n, you will get n plus 1. So first you take rows and column. You know, this is the row matrix. Pra matrix is row matrix as far as Dirac notation is concerned, and get vector is column matrix. So you take this is zeroth column. So column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is row. So this is first row, zeroth row. We will start with the 0. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now we will take lowest energy state, that is n equal to 0. That is, this is column is 0, zeroth column. What about row? Row is 0 plus 1, first row. So first row, zeroth column. Here you can have 1. You have 1. That is 0 plus, this is the, when a dagger operator on get n, you will get the square root of n plus 1, this coefficient multiplied by get vector n plus 1. So since n is equal to 0, you will get the square root of 1 is 1. Similarly for second one, when n equal to 1, that is column is 1, you will get row is equal to 2. So n plus 1, 2. So where row is 2, second row, and first column you can see, second row, first column, you will get the square root of 2 because n is 1. So 1 plus 1 is square root of 2. Similar way you will get square root 3, square root 4, square root 5 and the square root 6 in similar manner. You can see this is the lower of diagonal matrix. That is this is diagonal matrix. All diagonal elements are 0. This is lower off diagonal matrix. So we will see same thing for annihilation operator. Now we will see the annihilation operator matrix. As usual, this bra vector is a row vector and get vector is a column vector. So here column is zeroth column as usual, as we have done earlier. 0, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, the row is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here, what will happen if n equal to 0? See, if get n is 0, it cannot go below the ground state because it's an annihilation operator. Remember that is an annihilation operator. So you cannot have a value of 0 per column. So minimum value you can have is 1. When n is equal to 1, what about n minus 1? N minus 1 is 0. Now you have 0th row and column is first column. First column. So you will get the expansion coefficient is when annihilation operator act on get n, you will get the expansion coefficient as square root of n, get n minus 1. We have seen in our earlier lecture. So square root of 1 is 1. So here you have 1. Then what about next value? That is column is 2. Then here 2 minus 1 is 1. Row is 1. So first row, this is the first row, and second column, this is the second column. So you will get square root of 2 because it says expansion coefficient is square root of n. So you will get square root of 2. Similarly, what will happen if n is equal to 3, then n minus 1 is 2. That is second row, third column. So third column, second row. This is square root of 3. Because n is 3, the expansion coefficient is square root of n. That is square root of 3. So it will go like this. You can have the annihilation operator. Here you can see this is a diagonal element. All diagonal element are 0. Then upper of diagonal elements are it will take a value of square root of n. That is 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 4, square root of 5, and square root of 6. Now we will see the interesting case of number operator matrix. So that is number operator means inner product of bra n, a dagger a. A dagger a is a number operator, get n. So this can be rewritten as bra n number operator which act on get n. So you will get this is equal to n, then inner product of bra n get n. This is 1. So you can simply write this as n. So here you have you can straight away say when yeah, row and column are the same, then you will get 1. That means all diagonal element are, you will get n. N is start from 0 to n. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can we can realize that the diagonal elements are eigenvalues. So these eigenvalues are 0, 1, 2, 3. It will go like this. Another way of finding this is you multiply A dagger. This is the A dagger matrix, creation operator matrix, and annihilation operator matrix. So it's a simple multiplication you can carry out. In that case also you will get this matrices. That is diagonal elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go like this. All other elements are 0. So this is the number operator matrix. If you find this lecture helpful one, subscribe my channel. Also share and join my channel for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.